A lot of people can do this themselves if they have the time and the knowledge. But what happens is people get all excited. You know, we go through a winter, there's snow, people are inside hunkering down. Then it starts getting nice and everybody gets excited. They go to the garden store, they get their spreader, they get their fertilizer, they come home all excited, get their first app down, and that's it. You know, it looks good for a while, then they get busy with the children or doing this and doing that. By the time they get into summer, they forget to do an app, maybe the grub proofing. Towards the end of the summer, the lawn's not looking all that good because they forgot the steps, they didn't have the knowledge. The biggest thing about a homeowner doing their lawn, I think people get carried away with, they think more chemical is better or more product is better. And I see a lot of times where they go and they go to some box store and the guy there sells them some material and they don't really know the analysis of the fertilizer, box store spreader, and it's, you know, it's supposed to be set at this number. For some reason the calibration's off on the spreader and they go do the lawn and they burn the whole lawn. Try to not maybe put down the highest rated nitrogen in case you do have a mistake. Go down with a lower end number, maybe like a 10-10-10, you know, because if you over apply you may not have a problem. That's one of the biggest tips I see is people think more is better, even with the herbicides and when you know, or the pesticides. They think if they use, you know, half a bottle instead of what the label tells them to use, they're going to get better results. That's not necessarily true. They can have problems with the environment, they can have leaching into the groundwater. I mean, so you should follow the label. I don't think people take the time to read the label, and the labels are pretty intense. I mean, they're, you know, the print is small, and it could be pages, 3 or 4 pages associated with the product. And what happens is they don't tend to read the label. They go to the box store and somebody sells them stuff that maybe never even done this before. Tells them what to do, and they go home and they do it, and they have a problem. Lawn's burnt, or you know, nothing's growing, or you don't see anything, insects or anything, because they just totally nuked the whole property.